Here we got a Ford LTD, 1971. Now, there's been a lot of LTDs around. Usually they're four-door sedans. This is a convertible. And it's got an eye-popping canary yellow here. Probably, I don't know, 390? I don't know what's in the hood.
I was trying to like figure it out.
I don't know what, well, 71, they probably didn't have a 390. Probably had a 351 Windsor or something.
That's an S for sweet tea.
I wonder what that is over there. It says Sentinel. It's automatic. It's a nice car though, man. It's clean and simple, you know? And still, this was before, you know, they started coming out with the huge bumpers. 71, still 73 is when they really screwed them all up. It's got the Class 3 trailer hitch on there. Tennessee. Alright, Tennessee. Tennessee, that's where I'll be going. So my plate will be saying Sons of the Confederate Veterans. It's a nice car, man. Looks like he had looks like he's got a headliner in there, in that top too. It's probably a glass window too. Usually the earlier convertibles didn't even have a headliner; they were just the top, you know. remember my convertibles, I used to take my hand and go punch the roof to knock all the ice and snow off of them. From the inside, you know. Anyway. Got a lot of stuff in this car, man.